In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix QuickBooks online payroll posting to the wrong account. If you're noticing that payroll expenses or liabilities are showing up in the wrong place on your financial reports, the good news is that this is usually just a settings issue. We'll walk through how to correct the payroll accounting setup so that future payroll runs post to the right bank, expense, and liability accounts. First, sign into your QuickBooks online account and go to the gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen. This is where all your main settings live. From the menu that appears, choose Payroll Settings or Payroll Setup, depending on what you see in your version. This section controls how payroll connects to your chart of accounts. Once you're in Payroll Settings, look for the area labeled Accounting. This is where QuickBooks decides which accounts to use when payroll is processed. On the right side of that accounting section, click the little pencil icon. That opens the edit screen so you can change how your payroll transactions are mapped. Now focus on the bank account section. This tells QuickBooks which checking account to use when payroll is run. Open the dropdown and select the correct checking account that you actually use to pay your employees. If payroll has been posting to an old or inactive account, this is where you fix that. Take a moment to double-check you're picking the right account name, especially if you have multiple checking accounts set up. Next, review your payroll items, such as wages, taxes, and any other payroll-related components. For each of these, you want to make sure they're mapped to the correct expense and liability accounts in your chart of accounts. For example, wages should typically go to a wages or payroll expenses account, and things like payroll taxes and withholdings should go to appropriate liability accounts, often labeled something like payroll liabilities. Matching each payroll item to the right type of account will make your profit and loss and balance sheet much more accurate and easier to understand. After you've confirmed that the bank account and all payroll items are mapped correctly, click Save. Sometimes QuickBooks will prompt you and ask if you want to update existing transactions. If you see that option, adjust the look-back period carefully. You may not want to change too many historical transactions at once because that can cause confusion or errors in older reports. Use a reasonable time frame that matches when the issue started. Once everything is saved, your future payroll runs should now post to the correct accounts automatically.